I am Sayed Rakib Shah. Today I shall tell you some knowledge about the galaxy of Andromeda, which is bigger than our galaxy Milky Way. Let's go to the video for some information about the Andromeda. Andromeda galaxy is one of the most fascinating celestial bodies in the universe, located approximately 2.537 million light year away from Earth. It is the closest spiral galaxy to our Milky Way, with a diameter of about 220,000 light years. Andromeda galaxy is significantly larger than our own galaxy. Andromeda galaxy is named after the constellation Andromeda, in which it can be found. It was first observed by the Persian astronomer Abdurrahman al-Sufi in the 10th century. Later it was included Charles Messier's famous catalogue of astronomical objects as M31. One of the most remarkable features of the Andromeda galaxy is the spiral structure. Like our Milky Way, it possesses a central plug of older stars surrounding by a disk of younger star gas and dust. Interestingly, recent observations have suggested the presence of a small spheroidal galaxy at the center of Andromeda galaxy, making it a galaxy within a galaxy. Andromeda galaxy is also home to numerous satellite galaxies, including M32 and M110, which are observable from Earth. These satellite galaxies have been important in studying the dynamics and evolution of the Andromeda system, providing valuable insight into the formation and development of galaxies. Astronomers believe that Andromeda galaxy is on a collision course with our own Milky Way in approximately 4 billion years. These two galaxies will undergo a spectacular cosmic event, ultimately merging into a new, larger galaxy. This future collision has sparked interest among scientists who are eager to understand these consequences and the changes that will occur on a galactic scale. Andromeda galaxy is also home to numerous other celestial objects, including a substantial number of globular clusters, which are tightly bound groups of stars. These clusters are believed to have formed early in the galaxy history and provide clues about its past. Since the 1919, telescopes such as the Hubble Space Telescope have played a crucial role in studying Andromeda galaxy in greater detail. They have allowed astronomers to uncover the intricate structure and properties of the magnificent galaxy, exploring its spiral arms, star-forming regions, supermassive black hole at the center, and more. In summary, Andromeda galaxy is a captivating and intricate spiral galaxy located relatively closer to our own Milky Way. Its sheer size, satellite galaxy, and future collision with our galaxy make it a subject of immense interest and research for astronomers and space enthusiasts alike.